Harbor Breeze Mayfield ceiling fan, model BTH44ABZC5C, for utilizing the LED disc. And the things you will find handy to have are some of the tools: a Phillips or flat blade screwdriver, an adjustable wrench or number 14 socket, a pair of dikes, wire nuts, and these are 6-inch steel nipples. I have previously cut with a hacksaw a 4.1 inch. You'll have to convert there. A 4.1 inch or 104 millimeters for those that are in millimeters piece of nipple. This is the 1/4 inch IP. That's the same thread in diameter as what we'll be using. So set these tools aside for the right moment. If it comes in two pieces, take the bottom piece. I've already loosened the screws to make it easier, and disassemble right below where the lamps are. Take the 3 screws out. There's a switch inside. Just grab it, twist that off. Back part aside. And here's where you need the socket. And it works very well to take the bottom part off. And your disassembly is complete. You won't be using this piece, so set that aside. You'll be using the nipple, and we'll go for step 2 on this.